Welcome back to Software Testing and Quality Education's second episode. Today we are going to talk about the various options of deployment of software updates to the customers and the implications of each. You might have experienced or read about the recent outage in PCs that resulted in blue screens in around 8.5 million devices. The company that writes the device drivers for those machines expressed opinion that if they had gone for a staggered rollout to a few customers instead of a full-blown deployment, the impact could have been far less on the worldwide customers. While I agree that it is better to have less impact than a full-blown impact, staggered rollout is also not the ideal solution. If you think about it for a second, staggered rollout is basically exposing a limited set of customers in production to the update in software. This is not the ideal solution because it is not correct to expose even a limited set of customers to untried and unverified software updates. There are two other options available, which are beta testing and internal testing. Beta testing is about engaging users who sign up for taking the risk of updating the software and thus are ready to go with the consequences. In this scenario, it is presumed that the consumers would be fully ready to handle any eventuality because of the update in the software, including a full-fledged downtime. It is also presumed that such updates will not be applied to their critical system so that end users in turn are not affected by any outage. The other option is to thoroughly test the software updates internally in an internal environment before releasing it to the customers. Agreed that there could still be issues which might have potentially slipped the internal testing, so a multi-tiered approach to release seems to be the ideal solution. First, a thorough testing in the internal environment, followed by beta testing with customers who are willing to put the update in their production and try it out, followed by staggered rollout, where staggered could be defined by various parameters like operating systems, geographies, cloud providers, and so on. As ever, the role of software testers and quality folks is extremely important in the release process, and they need to be in constant vigil if the platform team or the developers in the DevOps environment are doing the right thing for a smooth deployment process. Hope this note helps you in being a better tester or a quality professional when it comes to software deployment. For more videos on educating yourself with software testing and quality, stay tuned to this channel by subscribing and clicking the bell icon. Thanks and have a nice one.